It's a harsh world. The strong prey on the weak down here. You gotta stay focused on your dream.
What's your dream?
I'll show you.
This is my secret place. Best view in town.
Really cool.
No, look. That view.
Right. I wonder what it's like up there.
Better than this dump down here. Listen. Stuff from the factory going up to Zalem. But the tubes are just for cargo, not for people. If I was as strong as you, I'd climb that tube to Zalem right now.
They don't let anybody up there.
Yeah, that's what they want you to think. You just gotta know the right people. I happen to be connected.
Oh.
You gotta be willing to do what it takes. Whatever it takes. Funny thing is, you've seen it. You just can't remember.
What do you mean?
Doc found you in the scrapyard. All that stuff is dumped from Zalem. So you must be from up there.
I guess so.
If you could just tell me what those eyes have seen.
I wish I could. I keep trying to remember, but it's still a blank. I'm starting to feel like I wasn't very important. Just an insignificant girl thrown out with the rest of the garbage.